Hi guys, I am Farhat Nadir Rizvi. Welcome back to the second tutorial of Learn Urdu Easily or Urdu सीखिए आसानी से. In this tutorial, I would like to teach you how to pronunciate Urdu alphabet, huruf tahajji. There are 38 letters in Urdu alphabet. That are, the first letter is Alif, A, L, I, F, Alif. The second is Bay, B, A, Y, Bay. The third is Pay, P, A, Y, Pay. The fourth letter is Te, Te. Here you pronunciate the word Te, the letter Te, by the soft sound of T. T, A, Y, Te. Then Te, Te, Te. Here you pronunciate the letter T heavily. Te, T, A, Y, Te. Then Se, Se, S, A, Y, Se. Then Jeem, Jeem, J, E, E, M, Jeem. Then Che, 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 C, H, A, Y, Che. Then Hey, Hey, H, A, Y, Hey. Then He, 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 K, H, A, Y, He. Then Dal, Dal, Dal. Here you pronunciate the letter D softly. Dal, D, A, L, Dal. Then Dal, Dal, Dal. Here you pronunciate the sound of D heavily. Dal, D, A, L, Dal. Then Zal, Zal, Z, A, L, Zal. Then Ray, Ray, Ray. Here you pronunciate the sound of R softly. R, A, Y, Ray. Then Ray, Ray, Ray. Here you pronunciate the sound of R heavily. Ray. R, A, Y, Ray. Then Z, Z, Z. Here you pronunciate the letter by Z, A, Y, Z. Then J, J, J. It is also right like Z, A, Y, but you pronunciate differently this letter. Z, not Z, but J, J, J. Then again, Seen, S, E, N, Seen. Then Sheen, S, H, N, Sheen. Then Swad, Swad, S, W, A, D, Swad. Then Zwad, 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 Z, W, A, D, Zwad. Then Toy, Toy, Toy. Here you speak the sound of T softly. Toy, T, O, Y, Toy. Then Zoe, Zoe, Z, O, Y, Zoe. Then Ain, 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 A, I, N, Ain. Then Rain, 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 G, H, A, I, N, Rain. Then Fay, Fay, Fay. It's F, A, Y, Fay. Then Calf, 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 Q, F, calf. Then calf, calf, calf. It's K A F, calf. Then gaff, gaff, gaff. It is G A F, gaff. Then lamb, lamb, lamb. It is L A M, lamb. Then meme, meme, M E M, meme. Then noon, noon, N-O-O-N, noon. Then wow, wow, wow. It's W-A-O, wow. Then Hamza, Hamza. It is H-A-M-Z-A, Hamza. Then गोल है, गोल है और छोटी है. The same है is called गोल है और छोटी है. It is G-O-L, गोल, H-A-Y, गोल है और C-H-O-T-I, छोटी, H-A-Y है. Then दो चश्मी है, दो चश्मी है. D-O-C-H-A-S-H-M-I, दो चश्मी, H-A-Y है. Then छोटी ये, C-H-O-T-I, छोटी, Y-E, ये. Then बड़ी ये, B-A-R-I, बड़ी, H-A, बड़ी, B-A-R-I, बड़ी, Y-E, ये, बड़ी ये. Another letter is known as lam alif. It is a compound letter which is the compound of L and A in Urdu, lam and alif. It is called lam alif. L-A-M, lam, A-L-I-F, lam alif. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe this video. A lot of thanks. Thank you.